Namaskar, welcome to your channel Yoga Fitness with Priyanka Sharma. In today's class, I have designed a 15 minutes yoga workout which you can do it in the morning with the sun. I hope you will like this video. Let's start with the stretching. We place both the palms on our knees. You can sit in a comfortable posture. Those who can sit in a lotus pose can do this. Also, I will make a tutorial on lotus pose. Do not worry, friends. You can sit in a comfortable posture. Breathe and raise your chin up. Breathe out. Slowly move your chin to collarbones. Abdomen in. Inhale. Stretch your neck. Feel your neck, your throat. Exhale. One more breath. Inhale and exhale. You move your head in center. Place your right palm on your left and give a good stretch to your neck. Open your other hand. Feel the stretch on the sides. Then we change our arm position. Breathe in, breathe out. Come back to the center. Relax both the palms back to your knees, chin to collarbones. And we move our neck in a circle. Very important, when you start with the flow, you can just give some joint movement. Relax your neck. Then you can rotate your shoulders. Move your shoulders in a circle, arm circling. 5 breaths. Then reverse from back to front. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Then we interlock our fingers and raise your arms up. Give a good stretch. We squeeze our shoulders to the ears. Breathe. 1, 2. If you're comfortable, raise your neck up. 3, 4, and 5. Relax your neck. We release a palm and grab your left wrist with your right palm, and we lengthen our spine on the side. We turn our head on our left side. Feel a stretch, a good stretch on the side of your body. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. In the center, we switch our arm, lengthen your hands upwards, and then we move to the sideways. Focus on the sides. Breathe. 1, push your shoulders behind your ears and push your chest in front. 2, 3, 4, and 5. In the center, relax your both the arms. Give a good retraction to the spine. We stretch our both the legs in front. Relax your thighs, your knees. One more stretch we are going to do is on your knees. We sit in a Vajrasana. Interlock your fingers. We open our chest. We raise our chin up. Give a good arch to your back. We feel our spine, shoulders moving back. Open up your heart. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You relax your belly, your chest on your thighs, head to the floor, and we raise our arms above our head. So we feel the shoulders, the shoulder blades, our upper back. Breathe out. 5. Give a good stretch. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax your arms. We stretch our arms. Open your hands in front. We will start with the sun salutation, one round, and then we give some movements. We give some variations on your knees. Tuck your toes, lift your tailbone up. On your toes, fold your knee and hop in front of your mat. We stay there. We check our toes, our heels are meeting each other. Slightly micro bending your knees and come up on top of your mat. We roll our shoulders back. We squeeze our hips and your spine in one line. Both the palms to the heart center. Your head in line. Core engage. Establish your posture before we start. Squeeze your palms with each other. Elbows pointing out. Breathe in. We raise our arms up and stretch your body. Look up to the sky. Open your chest. Breathe out. Pushing your hips back. Go down slowly. Relax your palms. Micro bending your knees. Relax your stomach, your chest on your thighs. Relax your neck. 4. We move our left leg back and lift your head up. For the Surya Namaskar, I have made a tutorial. You can just go check it out. Exhale. Move your feet together in downward facing. Exhale. Push your belly, your chest towards your thighs. 6. Breathe out. Drop your knees, your chest and chin touching to the ground. Inhale. We move our spine forward and up. Micro bend your elbows. 8. Tuck your toes. We raise our tailbone up to the sky. And 9. We lift our left leg. Fold your knee. Place your foot between your palms and raise your chin up to the sky. Exhale. We rest. Move our both the feet together. Relax your neck, your belly, chest on your thighs. Inhale. Stretch your arms in front. Micro bend your knees, and then we straighten our knees and open your lungs. Your shoulders back. Exhale. Come back to the center. Both the palms to the heart center. Relax your both the palms sideways. Now we will move in the variation where you will start by moving your hands from the side. Inhale. Both the palms together. We arch our back. Exhale. Move forward and move your hands behind your feet. You move your neck closer to your shin bone. Then breathe in. We will come on our toes and we lift our left leg back and hold, and we balance on our right leg. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, and prepare yourself. Rest your leg back and our toes pointing on the left side. Your heels are in line. You bend your front knee, your upper body in front facing, your hips close, and we raise both the arms up in Virabhadrasana. You can stretch and open your heart. 2, 3, 4, and 5. You relax your both the hands down. We will shift our back leg in front. Breathe in. Start Kapalbhati Kriya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Breathe in. Now on your toes, and we move our right leg up to the sky. We hold it with the right palm and try to go more closer to your left, hugging your left leg. Breathe. 1, to balance here. 3, 4 and 5. We rest our back leg down. Check your toes are pointing out to the right side. Check your both the knees are in line. Check your hip is not rotating. You bend your front knee till your ankle level. Check the alignments and then breathe in. We raise our arms up. Breathe. 1, arch. Open your heart. 2, inhale. 3, 4 and 5. Slowly relax your both the hands down. We move our both the feet together. Exhale again. Kapalbhati Kriya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now inhale and we move our left leg back. Now inhale, we raise our right leg up in 3 leg downward facing. Fold your knee and open your leg. We try to move our left toe, our right toe to the left side, our right leg to the left side. We open our pelvic area. Establish your palms well. Your left foot on the floor completely, opening your hip. 1, exhale. 2, be strong. 3, 4, 5. Do not give up. Your knees are pointing up to the sky. 6, 7. Feel the stretch. 8, 9, and we close our hips. We move our knees in front for a pigeon pose. You can also check my Raj Kapotasana. This pose, I have given a tutorial on this, so you can just go and check it out. So pushing your hips down, and then we rest our chest in front and extend your arms in front, and we lean on the left side. Whichever knee is fold, you have to move, shift your body on the other side. So feeling the stretch on the hip and the hamstring and your pelvic joint. 2, 3, breathe out, stay there. 4 and 5. Slowly we place our palms and tuck your toes. First you lift your back knee, moving your right leg up to 3 leg downward facing. Rest your foot down. We can kick our leg back just to ensure that we have no stress or tension in our muscles. Inhale, now raise your left leg, fold your knee, and we open our leg. We try to move our leg to the right side. 2, 3, be strong. 4, opening your hip. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and close your hip. Fold your knees and bring it in front. It's a good combination if you work out every day, and make sure this you can do it in the morning. So this could be a morning flow, morning stretch. Breathe in, breathe out. So now your left knee is fold. So what we have to do is we have to push our body, lean on the right side. So our hip is close. 2, breathe out. 3, 4 and 5. Very slowly coming back. We tuck our back toe, lifting your back knee, and then shift your left leg first up to 3 leg downward facing. Rest your foot, and we can just kick our leg back and relax your legs. We can fold our knees and rest in child's pose. Breathe out. Feel your breath. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So friends, this is it. I think this much you can do it if you have like 10 to 15 minutes in the morning. This flow will be perfect for you. You can see the sweat, and also you will have a good, with the sun you can do this yoga stretches and yoga poses. It will be amazing. And let me know if you have practice, yes or no. Like, I want you all to do it seriously. Namaste and stay blessed.